Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing Business Book Monthly. Business Book Monthly is a monthly entrepreneurial subscription. So if you're in business or want motivation or seek some sort of just something to inspire you, this is a great one. So in this box, you'll get office supplies, coffee, tea, just different things like that. And then there's also one business book. I did review this box before when it was in its promo stages before it had launched. It is now fully launched. It's $28.99 a month. Just as an FYI, I did film this video before and then my battery died. So it was I literally had 3 items to go. I'm like, I can do this. You can do this. And then it didn't happen. So I do know what's in here. But that's okay. So it comes like this, but it does come in another outer. I actually think it's the one those. It's not a box, another box. It's like a paper package. All right. And then it comes like this. So it says, at first they will ask why you're doing it. Later, they'll ask how you did it, which is so true, right? With anything you start, people don't get it. So we have a Cliff Bar. This is a coconut chocolate chip. A lot of these are protein snacks, which give you energy. We've got some Welch's fruit snacks. The kids are all going to fight over these. We've got 2 kinds of Tazo tea, and I really like that they have the Passion, which is an herbal, and then they have the Zen, which is a green tea. So you have a caffeinated and an herbal tea. You have 2 options. Always nice. That was my little paper when I filmed before with all my information on it, but I remember now. So this was the February box, so they have little hearts in here, those little foil hearts. And, all right. So there's a thing to review them on Cratejoy. And then I like how they have this set up. So on the front here, you're going to get, it shows you everything that you're receiving. And then on the back, it's business news. So they go through all the things that are happening in the world of business and little facts and things that you might be interested in knowing. So I think that's really cool. I've never seen that in a subscription before. So just putting that out there. We got a pair of scissors. I can use these. My kids, my second oldest daughter is always stealing my scissors. And then she'll leave them places where the little ones can get them. And I don't love that. All right, then we have a Fiber One protein cookies and cream bar. All right, there's another bar. Hold on, what's this one? Even though I just did this unboxing a couple days ago, I have totally forgotten what exactly each item is. Nature Valley Almond Butter Layered Granola Nut Bar. Ooh, that sounds really good. I like the Nature Valley bars, but I've never tried this one. How yummy does that sound? So then this is about our book. So the book, I've already read this book. It's an amazing book. If you haven't read it, you need to read it. It's an essential for business. Anybody entrepreneurial, whatever. So this tells you about the book, about the author, about everything. So it's talking points. If you want to have a book club and a discussion about it, this is it. So the book's by Dale Carnegie. It's called How to Win Friends and Influence People. I'm sure it's probably, if you haven't read it, it's come up in conversation or you've seen the title somewhere. It's just, you gotta read it. Just gotta read it. So that is our book for the month. I think that's a great inclusion in a business subscription. I love that. And but there are still a few more items. So we have a legal notepad, which these are nice to have. I keep one of these in my purse when I need to make a list quickly, if I forget to make one at home. And then we've got some Taster's Choice coffee. This is hazelnut. So these are instant packets if you need to make coffee in a jiffy. And then we've got, what is this, a lead pencil? Ooh, this is from Integra mechanical pencil. I haven't had one of these in years. Remember those? I will be honest, my kids are going to steal this. I know it. I know it now. And then there's a nice Integra retractable roller gel pen. I can always use pens because I always lose them. And I think that's everything. That is everything that's in my Business Book Monthly. I love this subscription. I think if you are setting yourself up to start a business, you're launching a business, you need that extra kick of motivation, determination, whatever. We all wake up some days and we don't, I wake up some days and I'm like, I don't feel like doing nothing. But, sometimes you hear something or you read something and you're like, that's really powerful. That is really, for me, personally, I like somebody called Zig Ziglar. If you ever need motivation, go on YouTube and look up Zig Ziglar. You're going to be like, what? He was an older man. He has passed away. But you're going to be like, this older guy is going to give me motivation. He is amazing. If you've not listened to anything it's just very inspirational. I love him. So anyway, that's my own personal thing, but I like things like this because I find that they're helpful. I think that anything that's making you do positive things and making you be more motivated and more productive in a good way, it's awesome. So I will obviously link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Business Book Monthly so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.